Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Today I will be covering up about taking care of indoor plants. What are the tips that you have to keep in mind when taking care of these beautiful indoor plants? So there are certain things like sunlight, watering, fertilizer and also pot size. First and the most important thing is sunlight. We all know that plants need sunlight, certain amount of sunlight to grow. So when you are selecting plants, see that shade loving plants are the best for indoors. That is the first thing, because plants anyway need sunlight. So when you locate it in your home as an indoor plant, keep it near a window. You can do that way. Or else what you can do is once in a week you can keep these plants outdoors for a couple of hours to get morning sunlight. That way you are providing sunlight for the indoor plants. The plants need certain amount of sunlight, so you will have to provide them that either by keeping it near a window where you get the morning sunlight, or else you can shift the plants outdoors for a couple of hours. So this is the most important thing. After that, when it comes to watering, see that you have selected plants that doesn't need water regular basis. So that is for those who doesn't have time to care for these plants. Or else what you can do is you can check the soil and water, because these plants doesn't need regular watering since they are doesn't exposing to too much of sunlight. So once you keep plants indoors, you can water them once in 3 days. Now plants like ZZ plant doesn't need water for even 2 weeks. You can go for 2 weeks without watering. Money plant also you can give a mist spray in the morning. Lucky bamboo can do without water even for 2 days. So likewise, select plants that doesn't need regular watering. That will be really very easy to maintain. When selecting plants, see that they doesn't need much fertilizer. Low maintenance plants are the best for indoors. So plants like this money pothos, rubber plant or syngonium plants, these plants doesn't take much fertilizer like flowering plants. So always select plants that are really very easy to maintain, low maintenance. So when you select plants, see that they are low maintenance, so that is really very easy for you to handle them. When keeping plants indoors, you will have to consider about the pot size as well. So some plants are suitable for small planters and some plants needs more space. So now here I have put some syngonium plants in a ceramic kettle, and here also I have DIY planters like coffee mugs and used broken. This is a juice mug. So likewise you also can make any DIY planter for small plants, and see that the planter is suitable enough for the plants. So that is also a major point to keep in mind when keeping plants indoors. So indoor plants are really very beautiful and attractive. You can decor your home with indoor plants, but there are certain things to keep in mind. During rainy season, you can shift these plants to a place where they get a couple of hours of good rainy water. So rainwater is high nitrogen, so you can give your plants a great shower by shifting them to a place where they can receive a couple of hours good shower. So rainwater is also important, and let these plants to get some rainwater by shifting them outside. So time to time keeping these plants outdoors will give a great boost for their growth. So when maintaining indoor plants, consider about watering, sunlight, pot size, the fertilizer that you use, and also time to time shifting them outdoors. So those are the main things to keep in mind. I hope you find this video very useful about maintaining good health of indoor plants, and if you are new, consider to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, friends.